Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your design expertise with Adobe, full guide step by step clearly. Start by familiarizing yourself with the Adobe Creative Cloud Suite. Download and install the latest versions of Adobe programs relevant to your design work. Begin with Adobe Photoshop for photo editing and manipulation. Explore the interface of Photoshop, focusing on key tools like the brush, lasso, and layer functionalities. Watch tutorial videos that cover basic to advanced techniques within Photoshop. Practice by replicating design projects you admire or creating your own from scratch. Next, move on to Adobe Illustrator for vector graphics and logo design. Study the pen tool, shapes, and text features in Illustrator to create clean and scalable designs. Engage with online communities where designers share tips and feedback on vector graphics. Transition to Adobe InDesign for layout design, especially if you are interested in print media. Learn how to create multi-page documents and understand the importance of grids and guides in layout design. Experiment with different typography styles and understand the rules of good typography. Once you've mastered the basics, challenge yourself with project briefs from websites like Behance or Dribbble. Take advantage of Adobe's tutorials and educational resources available within the Creative Cloud. Enroll in online courses dedicated to Adobe tools to deepen your understanding of specific techniques and workflows. Seek out feedback from peers or mentors on your design projects to gain valuable insights. Create a personal portfolio showcasing your best work to track your progress and growth as a designer. Stay updated with design trends by following design blogs and social media accounts. Collaborate with other designers on projects to experience diverse design perspectives. Finally, consistently dedicate time each week to practice and experiment with new techniques in Adobe software. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.